Osteoarthritis, also known as Gonarthrosis, often concerns people who have suffered trauma related to certain occupations and certain sports that put terrible strains on the knees, or even overweight persons. Very frequent, as from 50 to 60 years old, the osteoarthritis is the most common joint disease. Gonarthrosis is a clipping chronic pathology. It is due to the deterioration of the cartilage and the bone. It can be aggravated by a bad path of the patella in its natural rail. The joint is therefore subject to erosion that causes severe pain and causes discomfort while in motion, for example when walking or going up and down the stairs. Yet immobility can increase osteoarthritis. The best way to limit its worsening is of course prevention, losing weight if necessary, but especially practicing a sport activity to preserve the joint mobility and to maintain the cartilage in good condition while in motion. To help you in your everyday activities or sport activities, EPITACT presents the PHYSIOstrap that maintain and secure your knee.